We're here with Dr. John Coolican of Mint Mini Dental Implants in Wilkes-Barre. Thanks for having us back, Doctor.
Oh, thank you so much for being here.
So let's tell people some of the challenges that people missing teeth might be facing when it comes to their dentistry.
You know, Rachel, over 150 million Americans are missing one or more teeth. I see patients in my office every day that tell me they're embarrassed of their smile. They can't chew their food properly. They want to look good. Really, they just want to be themselves again.
And I think a lot of folks might think that dentures, even partials, are the only options, but that certainly isn't true, right?
That's correct. Many dental implants afford the patient the opportunity to get permanent teeth replacement for one or multiple teeth or even a whole set of teeth.
Yeah, so talk to us about some of the advantages that mini dental implants offer patients.
There's 5 big advantages of the mini dental implant system. It's less invasive, there's less pain and discomfort, there's significantly less healing time, there's certainly less visits to the dentist, and it's a less costly way of doing implants compared to other dental implant systems.
Seems like it checks all the boxes for sure. I'm sure lots of folks are interested. We have a specific demo. You're going to show us one of your services right now, right? What are we looking at?
Yes, a very popular service that for people that are missing really all of their teeth is the snap-in denture. And the idea behind this is that we can place a series of these mini dental implants in a very non-invasive, minimal procedure, generally 4 to 6 of them, and we'll fabricate you a brand new smile in the form of this snap-in denture. When this is done, the denture is going to snap into what I'm going to call the micro housings. We're not going to rely on any glues or adhesives. We don't need natural suction for this to work, and that will snap right into place. This is something you remove daily. This is a big upgrade from those suffering from loose dentures. We have the hybrid, which is also a snap-in denture. The advantage of this here, it's a slightly less material in the mouth, not as much pink as compared to the standard overdenture. And we have a metal framework. Works the same way, great option for those that are struggling with partials and dentures.
Absolutely. So if someone maybe is interested, if this might be a good solution for them, you have a free consultation available, right? How can we go about getting that?
Certainly. I'd love to give consultations to anyone interested in any of the products that I offer here. I'm located at 360 Kidder Street in Wilkes-Barre. I'm just right down the street from the Wyoming Valley Mall and off of Interstate 81. Look me up online at mintminidentalimplants.com or call the office directly.
Perfect. Well, Dr. John Coolican, thank you for having us back. We appreciate your time.
Thanks so much for being here.